Metal garden decors add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outdoor space, transforming it into a beautiful sanctuary. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy pasture, incorporating metal element into your garden design can breathe a new life into your landscape. In this video, we will explore some inspiring metal garden decor ideas to help you to create a stunning outdoor recess. Here we are back again. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Here is some stunning metal garden decor ideas to elevate your outdoor spaces. Invest in eye-catching metal sculptures to serve a focal point in your garden or optional for the abstract design animal or the whimsical figures. Add a personality and a charm to your space. Upgrade your garden aesthetic with the sleek metal planter. Choose from a variety of sizes and shapes to create a beautiful and modern look while housing your favorite plant and the flowers. Enhance the vertical appeal of your garden by incorporating metal trestles and the arbors. These versatile structures not only support climbing plants but also provide architectural interest. Add soothing melodies to your garden with a beautiful metal pinching. They not only create a calming atmosphere but also serve as delightful decorative pieces. Consider replacing a traditional wooden fence with element metal ones. Metal fencing provides a sophistication boundaries to your garden and enhance the overall appeal of your garden. Bring tranquility to your garden with the gentle sound of glowing water. Install metal water fountains or the cascading water feature to create a serve ambience. Create cozy spot to relax and admire your garden by placing metal benches strategically, optional for ornate design or a modern minimalist style depending on your garden themes. Illuminate your garden during evening with the warm glow of metal latrine and the candle holders. They add a touch of enhancement to your outdoor space, cozy and inviting sense. Personalize your garden with metal signs that display a meaningful quotes and identify the various areas of your landscape. Customize metal signage, add a unique touch of your outdoor areas. Define and elaborate the garden display meaningfully. Codes the identification and the various elements. Define and separate different garden areas using metal borders and the edging. They provide structure to your landscape while loading a polished finished touch. Incorporating these 10 metal garden decor ideas into your outdoor spaces, you can elevate its appeal, turning it onto the captivative heaven. The versatility and the durability of metal make it an ideal material for enhancing your garden aesthetic while ensuring it remain a beautiful treat of your year to come. Get three creative experiment and different design and let metal bring out the best of your garden decor. Use decorative metal garden screen to add a privacy and create a unique whimsical an element to your garden. These screen can feature intricate pattern or the artistic design that cast beautiful show as the sun moves throughout the day. Add a touch of majestic and the glamour with metallic glazing balls These reflective orbs create a captivating focal point and add a sense of wonder to your garden. Display your plant in a style with metal plant stand of various heights and the design. Elevating your plant not only makes them more visible but also adds a depth and the dimension to your garden. Create an illusion of space and depth by strategically placing a metal frame mirror into your garden. These mirrors reflect the greenery and make your outdoor areas appear larger and bigger than and more vibrant. Incorporate functional art into your garden with a metal garden clock. This timepiece not only keep you on schedule but also add a touch of elegance to your outdoor decor and the space. Ideas for home decor and the profitable online selling. Animal metal sculpture can add a touch of artistry and a whimsy to your home decor, making it more appealing and unique. They not only enhance the aesthetic but can also serve as a functional item, helping you manage your kitchen in a creative ways. Moreover, turning this passion for metal crafting as an online side hustle can be a lucrative venture. In this video, we will explore some exciting metal animal sculpture ideas for home decor and guide you on how to sell them online to earn a rewarding side income. Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. Sorry for late. I hope you enjoyed our video. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Craft metal sculptures of animal like elephant, giraffe, octopus with elongated trunk, knuckles, and the tentacles. These elongated features can designed to hold kitchen utensils like ladle spoons and the spatulas, adding a functional element to the artistic piece. Not only do they help manage your kitchen tools, but also they make for excellent conversation starter during lunch parties. Create an animal shaped metal key holder that can be mounted on the wall near